Everything is beautiful in its own way, like a starry summer night or a snow-covered winter's day. And everybody's